Can they do that? Wig pan head, boy clothes, and walk confidently. Them have confidence in doing that? Huh? Can they do that? Can they do that? Can they do that? Huh? Can they serve two? Can they both give man and give girl? Come look good as a girl, I'm look good as a boy. I'm in a transgender, I'm in a transmission. I'm just do it for fun. I'm do it for fun. F-U-N, fun. I'm gonna do it as a man and I can do it as a woman. I'm doing it for fun, and most of them I live them life as a girl and can't even touch up to the picture that I'm just show you know. Them can't even touch up to the pictures that I'm gonna just show you know. And majority of them have on from head to toe in a woman, and me only have on the hair and still I beat them. It is so fun, guys. It is so fun.
Now we got nothing, but still not play a role in their life. Them have to go sell fuck at the park, and take the money go give them bad man a yard. Me I take a girly boy will help me being a better version of myself. How that go, Shemar?
Right this song.
Sorry chat. We came on and then Canada just add me because she get the picture of them. I guess she come for command, so she could add me for sure the pictures them. So whenever tell them afternoon or anything. So good afternoon, everybody. My regular people I'm talking because it's 900 odd people over here. You guys are not my day-to-day.
The life are they in a foreign hospital sad back with ya. They must sell up Missy Jolly with them man and then yard them at the park matches. The occupation they write a resume and the occupation must go in the park myself. What them I talk about? Have an answer for everything, Howell. I want him with or without wig. So that now go turn me away from him. Me left from straight man go turn Batman, for Batman go turn Chanzuman, for Chanzuman go turn real man, for real man go turn Sodomite, for Sodomite go turn Sodomatimite. Him a woman and me is a woman, but he have to be a man for me. When me and him going to the bed, he have to be a man for me. I catch him out and him have it.
Tikki.
Yes, Trev.
You know, I think them do it because they've never. I think them never know say you know. I think that's why. I feel like that's why.
But me not feel no way. Me just come out.
I come from me know because there's one exact picture that he showed that I only sent to one person because only one of the picture that he showed was posted on social media. The other one was sent directly to only one person.
Stop who send out the picture.
So I know who sent the picture. The picture in the blonde, because the picture in the blonde, if I realize, Setas is still not here, right? And stuff. That wasn't him. How the picture went here let down when it was curly. I'm wear curly, I'm wear straight. On the blonde one, and me never sent anybody that picture. So I sent one person the picture with the Setas in it, and that's the person who sent it to somebody to make it reach to that person, or the person maybe send it directly to them. I'm not gonna call their name. I don't want to get nobody on a hype off of nothing.
Black me, can't add him in black me. From for add.
I for the war, anybody want, tell them say me, blood clot Tikki say. Boom if for the war they want, you know me boom. Me take on a multitude that Trevor change me. A who know when Tikki a boom down this blood clot. I who know when Tikki go for blood clot this. I who know when Tikki go for this and a boom down this blood clot and I take on a multitude of girl. And I hurt them no blood clot. So if I the war they want, tell them say me Tikki there so whichever fi
Ones I can show you other ones.
You might see it.
bring it back there fast.
Look at me. This one.
When me did detention, then just walk and show the number of the detain place so me did there.
This is me walking, living proud in America. I think it's too sexual for TikTok.
Yeah, you can't show that.
Yeah, so they showed that one was in the back. But guys, my hairstyle is really still good. My hairstyle is still real good. And we could have some lace. Could have some lace, chat. Could have some lace. Yes, it's me. So the tribe tattoo right here. And I don't want to show it again. Because the best one for mash up what's going on. But at the end of the day, it not gonna happen. It not gonna happen.
Yeah.
Because even if she never know, would I call her after this and tell her, I say, I'm know for make up things.
That could do me nothing. Cause when me say, I when me work with, I want my heart choose you. Who you in a wig are you in a wig now gonna make my heart and choose you. You ethically hack my heart, and the wig where you're in and now gonna make you ethically unhack my blood clot heart.
Yeah, but I'm with Tikki though.
Yeah, come on, you talk girly and still handle them. Though.
Oh God. Why am I not telling a lie?
Yes, guys, that we will still give you guys some week content because you guys still want it. And I appreciate you guys. So we
You might try that to bring me down. That now bring me down. None of them say them a take real man na them whole. Boy, we act masculine, boy, we know where we got the things them. And when they check it out, other boy them whole.
But not for the boy them with the America we say them are top. Them are not top. Not for the boy them with them say a thug boy. Not for the boy them are not.
Temar, if you want to be top, bottom, side and side, head, tail, me still a take him have to be top for me.
Oh yeah, people may talk about the boy them with them a take. Cause the whole we know all the
Pay $20
overall American man.
I pay $20 and attacking disease. White man look at them be attacking infection and attacking disease.
anyways, for everyone who placed their order yesterday, like Kim Star and all the others, your orders were dropped off this morning at the post.